Hey folks, we're in Woodlake, California. That's right, at Golden Star Citrus. Look at this beautiful packing line. Pretty soon we're going to go out in the groves and check it out. It's that time of the year, folks. Hey folks, Dan the Produce Man here in Woodlake, California at Golden Star Citrus. It's Navel Orange season, and man, even though Navels start, I guess in October, we can say. November is really when they really get going. Now it's December, and they're sweetening up a little bit more. So we're going to just check it out right here. Pull one off the tree and check out the bricks, which is sugar for content for oranges. Oh, look how beautiful that is, and look how juicy these are too. I mean, that, folks, man, oh man, look at that juice. Absolutely delicious. All right, we're going to try this orange. Oh, the sugar content is there. I mean, it's not where it's going to be in February, which is probably my favorite time of the year for Navel Oranges, February and March, because they've been on the tree the longest. But surprisingly, these oranges are a lot sweeter than they usually are this time of the year. Navel Oranges are in the store everywhere. California Navel Oranges, you're going to find them in all the produce departments across the country. Now, they're picked from these trees, and as you can see, all these trees here, there's different sizes on all of them. They're picked, they're put in these plastic bins. Plastic bins are brought into the packing houses where they're sorted for size and for condition, quality issues as well, to make sure everything's nice and pretty. And then they're packed into these boxes, which roll down the line here. And as you can see, they're packing the sizes into the boxes, and then boom, you got a nice box of either 72 size, 88 size, 56 size, whatever it is. And those are just numbers of sizing that all fit in the same box of Navel Oranges. Folks, enjoy Navel Oranges right now. It's December, it's Christmas time. Christmas and the scent of oranges and the flavor of citrus just go so well together, don't they? I'm Dan the Produce Man, reminding you that it's always best when you get it fresh.